Whether it's to see the sights in DC, for a daily commute, or just a relaxing sunny bike ride, Capital Bikeshare has got you covered. In this video, we'll show how the program works and share some can't-miss tips at the end. Hop on to start your ride. Capital Bikeshare has stations all over the greater Washington, D.C. metro area. You can easily recognize its bright red and yellow sign at one of the over 700 stations in D.C. and surrounding areas in Virginia and Maryland. According to their website, they have over 7,000 bikes to rent. The idea is that you can pick up a bike at one station, then return it to another one at your destination. It's easy and convenient. You can rent it by the minute for a single ride or get a day pass. There are even a yearly membership option if you would use it often throughout the year. We'll talk about pricing in a minute. You can use the kiosk at the station to pick up a one-time ride, but by far the best way to use this program is by using the app, which is linked below. You hold your app up to the bike in its port to unlock it. Once you hear it click, grab it and get set to go. You can adjust the seat to fit you, then head off to your destination. When your ride is over, simply return to the nearest station, guide your bike into a port until it clicks into the lock, and you have successfully used the Bikeshare system. Your receipt in the app will show what you paid. Speaking of payment, there is a pay-by-the-minute fee for single rides, but with the day pass or yearly membership, you can ride for up to 45 minutes for free before that kicks in. You get unlimited number of unlocks in that time, so you can return your bike within the 45 minutes to get a new one to avoid the pay-by-minute fee. Classic bikes are the red traditional bikes, and e-bikes are black and listed with a lightning bolt on the app. The pricing options can be found on the Capital Bikeshare website, which is linked below. Here are tips to make your ride a success. At the station, check to make sure that your bike has all its parts, such as a kickstand and a bell. If you're using the day pass or yearly membership, keep an eye on the clock to trade out bikes if it's getting near your 45-minute time. This is easy to do with so many stations around town. Use the app to help you plan your route using the bike lanes where possible. Before heading to return a bike, check the app for available ports in case your station is full. There may be a nearby station that has plenty of space. Follow traffic rules and use bike lanes wherever possible. In general, walk the bike around pedestrians in crowded areas. In some parts of the DC area, such as downtown DC, riding a bike on the sidewalk is not allowed. Bring a helmet, as there are none provided. Watch out for those occasional hills. He's making this look too easy. And finally, enjoy your ride. See below for video links to fun bike rides in the DC area. Share your favorite DC bike ride in the comments while you're at it.